Oh, we're not gonna wait for the speech to cry.
Come away with me, put your hand in mine.
Early on, when she was 3 years old, Paige and I were sitting on the couch watching a nature show. And in this show, a whale had gotten beached. Paige gets off of the couch, up to the TV, and is trying to push the whale back into the surf. And it just shows how she is and how caring she is. And Terry and I are so honored to have her as a daughter.
Come away with me, put your hand in mine.
These last 5 years have been the most incredible years of my life. Who would have thought that what X Games sport would you compete in and an awkward first date with a free dessert lead to all of this? We have traveled to many different countries, surfed, skis, bought a fixer-upper, and survived the renovations. Never again. Through all of this, you have become my best friend and the most important person in my life.
Run away, let it fall, the call of fear.
I promise to love and respect you, listen to you even though you don't think I do, I promise. I promise to support you and be by your side for the good times and bad. I promise to care for you, be patient with you, and continue to show my love for you. I can't wait to build an amazing life and family, yes, including a dog, with you.
So run away, let it fall and disappear. There's no place I'd rather.
So in Rhyme and Rhythm, their story is spun. A love-filled adventure forever to run. So here's to the marriage, a Susian affair, decree, a magical bond forever carefree. In Rhyme and Rhythms, they'll face each day with love as the compass, come what may. Congratulations.
There's no place I'd rather be than right here with
I, Paige Clark, take you, Max Williams, to be my husband, to have and to hold from this day forward.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love and as a reminder that I will always be by your side.
I've never seen nothing like you. I've seen fairy tale lights fall into the dawn. I drove 1,000,000 miles and ended up at your door.
Paige, on behalf of the Williams and Martell families in attendance, I want to welcome you officially to our family. Such a pleasure to finally have you.
First thing on my mind and the last word in my ear. You're the one who holds the light and the only thing I fear.
In 30-something years of living in this home, we have never had green grass in August. So I'm taking this as a very good omen for the newlyweds.
And just a long way up, a long way to go.
Even when you snore, and promise to keep enough candy hearts in the house to sustain us on our endless summer together.
And promise to support you and all your passions. even if it's a powder day.
And the last song in my ear. You're the one who holds.
Max, you truly have the great ability to bring out the best in Paige. You've been guiding her out of her comfort zone into a life full of adventure with skiing, surfing, and I'm sure everyone here tonight can agree that watching Paige and Max's love grow has been a truly joyous experience.
Seen the peak and valley, seen the stars come on, crossed over oceans.
Please rise and join me for the first time in welcoming the newlyweds, Max and Paige, as husband and wife.